Hello, hello, hello. I hope you enjoyed the waterfalls. Today I'm riding Highway 215 in western North Carolina, which is, I'm riding a section between I-40 south of Canton, and that goes south up and over the Parkway and then down the mountain south to Brevard and intersects with Highway 64. It's really one of my favorite rides here in North Carolina because it's got a lot of natural beauty between the tree-lined canopy road and the waterfalls and the river, plus it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to try something a little bit different with this video. I'm going to take my GoPro, put it on the stabilizer, hook it to my chest, which will give the sensation of actually riding on the bike. And with a lot of videos I'll do where I'll kind of put some music and try to capture the scenery, but this one I want to do something a little more about the experience of being on the bike and what it's like to ride the machine. So the bike that I'm riding is my MV Agusta F3 800, and it's a very sexy bike, very cool bike, and it'll definitely provide a good experience. So let's go have some fun. Okay, well, I didn't get very far because I went about a mile down the road and I felt my engine lose power, and I didn't know what it was, so I pulled over to see, and there was smoke billowing out the back, so I believe that I have blown an engine. So I managed to push it back to a gas station about a mile, and I have oil all over my camera bag, all over my boots, all over the rear wheel, and all over the bike. So it looks like the bike is shot, so no ride today, and I'm currently waiting on a wrecker to pick me up. So I have some more footage from another video, another riding I did up here, so I'm going to post that, but looks like this bike may be a goner. Alright, so the wrecker is here, and we're getting towed home finally. Long day. I think you can see what I mean about that road being one of my favorite roads. You can see why, because it's just a great combination of nice, twisty, fun curves and natural beauty. The way the trees cover the road riding up, every time I ride it, it's just exhilarating, and I end up with a great endorphin buzz, and I just love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's a little different the way I did the did it with the bike and kind of giving the experience of being on the bike. That was the last ride that I did before the engine blew. I'd been up there about a week earlier, so wish me luck getting that engine repaired. I'm working with MV right now to try to work out something. And just look at that bike, it's so beautiful. I hate to see it go to waste. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.